And also, one of the biggest talent in my life has been my first Jewish teacher who is being killed, and the second Jewish teacher who is graduate me eventually. I have no idea. And he been famous in Soviet Union, Plaht Yeliohin. And he been teach. He came from Perm, in Soviet Union have city Perm. It's in Ural. He became one of the famous in 25 years teaching Perm, and then he left Perm, came to Tashkent. Tashkent's it's a warm place, and he teach since 1974. No, 1973. Gentleman class, 1973-74. Last gentleman class, it's my class, and Plaht Yeliohin. I was graduated with a Plaht teacher, and last year, 1974, 75 in Tashkent. It was class, gentleman class. He graduated in school ballet, in academic school. He have more students, of course, after that, but they're working in company in theaters, like in Odessa. But last men class, it was my class. And he made me good dancer. Great, they're good teachers. It's not, I will say it now, because they gave me job, they give me a life, a beautiful life. They give me hope in my life. They give me a future, they give me a career in life. Plaht, intelligent, very talented. He teach you not just technique, he teach you how you dance with that technique. Properly dance, and beautiful dance.